Hello everyone. So in this video we will see the electrical softwares which is useful for the every electrical engineering students and others. So the first and the number one software is MATLAB, which is a very useful for the electrical engineering students. In this platform we can do the simulation, okay, and other things. We can solve here the power electronics, power system, control systems, okay, so many things, mathematical problem, okay. So you can see the visit the websites of MATLAB, okay. You can search on Google easily MATLAB. You can find the versions are here of the latest versions and the oldest version here, okay. So you can see here research to production, reply to enterprises, application run on embedded devices, integrate with model based design, okay, data analytics, wireless communication, artificial intelligence, embedded VLSI, power electronics, okay. You can do and simulate everything here like electrical circuits, okay. Controlling things like controlling of electrical machines, motors and other things, robotics, okay, IoT, so many things are there. We can easily solve here, okay. So this is the first important software for electrical engineering student, where we can do anything. I think for mostly 95%, 90%, up to 90 to 95% we can solve or simulate anything here on this platform. Here the second software is there. You can see PSIM. So PSIM means power sim. This software is also useful for the power electronics, okay. So you can download from the original website, okay, means PSIM website. So get the free demo and put PSIM to the test, okay. You can use the demo version of PSIM, okay. So what you can do here, so power supplies, analog control, you can do digital control, motor controls, motor drives, converter control designs. I also did some simulations here, okay, like a DC to DC converter I designed in this platform only, okay. And so many electrical circuit in MATLAB only, okay. So embedded system, microgrid, system level simulations, photovoltaic, wind power, others, so many things are there, okay. You can visit this website PSIM and you can do so many things of power electronics based projects, okay. You can make the easily projects here, okay. So here the third software is KiCad. Here you can design the PCB, okay, printed circuit board. So if you are working on the PCB side, okay, means hardware side, you can design the model here of that circuit easily. So this is the open software, okay. You can easily find and you can easily download. This is free, okay. And other software are like heavy software, so many softwares of the PCB, okay. So you can easily here you can do here symmetric diagram, PCB layout, and you can see also 3D view of that circuit, okay. And the next software is PartSim, okay. So you can see on the screen also circuit simulation made easy, okay. So you can check the examples also, what kind of software is this. So bipolar differential amplifier you can design, CMOS inverter, op-amp transient conditions, full wave rectifier, filters, RC changing circuits, differential amplifier, okay. The next software is there like similar to the PSIM, okay, and this is the power eSIM, okay. So you can see on the screen that so many companies also use this software, okay, for the designing of the converters, SMPS, bridges, transformer designs, okay, non-isolated and isolated converters, adapters, and you can easily design, means how much value of that material you can use, okay. You can put the value easily here and you will get the some configuration about that of the design, okay. So very good software this is. See, you can see Panasonic, Infineon, okay, so many companies are using this platform. The next is LT device or LT Spice, okay. This software is useful for the analog circuits design, okay. So this is only for analogs like amplifiers, timing circuits, okay, power management systems, radio frequency, and some synthesis or data converters. Like topics we can easily make here, okay. The next is the electrical AutoCAD. So in this software you can design the control equipments, okay. So wiring also, okay, wiring, redlining, and editing the lines, okay. Schematic designs like buttons, breakers, switches, and others, relays, etc. So many libraries are here for useful for the lines, means useful. This software is very useful for the house designing wiring, okay. If we are want to design the wiring in a house, then it is very useful software. So the next software is P-Spice, okay. So in this software you can usually you can do like mixed signal circuits and the verification of analog circuits, okay. You can solve the models like BJTs, FETs, MOSFET, IGBT, SCRs, okay, op-amps, optocouplers, regulators, and PWM controllers, okay. You can see the keyword search. So you can download the free trial also for this software. The next software is Multisim, okay. You can design here also the converters, okay, modulators and demodulators, okay, PCB prototype designs, okay, and the electronic circuit behavior you can analyze and visualize on this SPICE simulation, okay. The next software is the ETAP. So this software is for the power systems, okay. So ETAP means Electrical Transient Analyzer Program. It is a full spectrum analytical electrical engineering software company, okay. So simulation, monitoring, control, optimization, automation of electrical power system you can do and design here, okay. You can see the design, operate, automation, digital transformation, okay. Next software is the Power World Simulator or a PWS simulator. You can get the visual approach for electrical power system, means if you design bus bar, then you have to use this software only, okay, because in that bus bar you can analyze and integrating the topology processing, you can analyze the optimal power flow, transient stability you can check by this software, okay, voltage stability techniques, okay, you can use here, and so many things and many more things you can use on this software. So this software is very useful for the power system students, and you can download here for free versions. And the main thing about of this software is that you can design up to 2 lakh buses. Okay, 2 lakh buses on this platform. Okay, you can design that. The next and very useful important software for electricals, also for power system, also like PSCAD. So electrical engineering software package for electromagnetic transient analysis in a power system. Okay, you can use the software also for power system, like if you want to design and simulate and you can easily model your system here. Okay, on transient basis you can easily identify HVDC and facts design. Okay, renewable integration studies you can also design. So very useful software for the power system students. Okay, the next software is the ARM, designed by the ARM processor, that is a Keil Mu Vision. Okay, this software is useful for the testing and designing of the embedded system, and for microcontrollers are used extensively for the control electrical instruments. Okay, so this is the all-in-one solution for the programming embedded devices. Next software is the PV Designer. Okay, so on this software platform you can design the solar map and data designing about solar and the PV monitoring. Okay, you can use this software on your smartphone easily. Okay, so these all are the software, like part 1, which is very useful for the electrical engineers. Okay, because not only you have to learn theory side, you have to learn basically these platforms for better understanding the technologies in electrical future and electrical industries, what they are using and what they are working. Okay, so thank you, and please subscribe, like and share the channel. Okay, thank you.